Hi! In front of me is ZTE BLADE A71, and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder on this ZTE. You need to begin by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it and select Allow in the pop-ups. Then, to start your recording, click on this blue button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon. And if you wish to add a photo one, tap on the camera. Now choose while using the app or only this time. Take a picture. Discard it by tapping on this X icon. Or save it by clicking on the check mark. If you wish to retake it, you can always tap on this arrow instead, take it again, and tap on the check mark as well. Now, to stop your recording and save it, choose Done. Then name it however you wish to and click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust more recording settings, click on those three lines over here at the top right corner. Sorry, I need to create the other one real quick. To access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines, click on your recording and tap on this scissors icon. Now you can edit it however you want to and save it again. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner of it, click on share recording and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!